welcome back to another video. Of course, we are doing something electronic again. So, the task is, I have this 3 AA battery switched holder, and it used to have a micro USB plug on the end, but I snipped that off. So basically, I was just playing around with this to see if it could power my Raspberry Pi, which it could. Then I thought I can use this to power some LED strips. I have a fascination with LED strips at the moment. And I had, ironically, 3 spare Eneloop rechargeable batteries. So what I'm going to do is put a charging module on them, because yes, I can put this into a charger, but how annoying is that? I just want it all streamlined. So I picked up one of these modules, it took a while, from AliExpress. NiMH charging modules are pretty niche these days because lithium ion has taken over. But basically all you need to do is hook up this to the battery pack. It's going to charge it. And it specifically is a 3S pack, and I think that is 0A5. That must mean, I think this is 500 milliamp hour charger. I'll have to double check that. And it is a USB-C 5-volt input. We're just going to solder on the pads there. But here's what I'm going to do. So firstly, I had the DC plug using these terminal block things, but it's a bit clunky. So I want to put it into a proper DC plug, or a solder it on, proper cover. So I'll do that first. And then I plan on putting the male version here, so I can just charge it like that, because there's no really easy way to kind of tap in here without having to drill holes and pull things apart. So if I need to charge it, I just plug the module into the DC jack there and charge it. And I think I'll stick it with some double-sided tape. But we'll see how it goes. This project is going to evolve. I finally got it on nicely. We'll see if the voltage is coming through. Nope. Oh, it's switched. Excellent. It works. So I have to remember, with it switched, we need to actually switch it on to charge it.
She's from heaven. Heart size of the Amazon. Hand steady, hair long. Holding fire in her hands. She starts to dance. Oh, mystical, magical, beautiful queen of the night. Ooh, Shiva by her side. I know that's right. Look out, make way, tear it up. Don't play, cut it off. Grow back, throw back. Oh, in the stands, tell me who can send it like that. Ooh, who's gonna stop me from giving my all? No way. Pull on my heartstrings and answer the call. Okay. Sunrise up, then she taking.
So we've got this going into here, like that, right? That's how it charges. Anyway, we're going to test if this starts charging. So I'm going to make sure it's on. Put that in. Moment of truth. Yep, it is working. Look at that. Turn it off, it doesn't charge. So let's do a test. Voltage reading first. Pack's on. .05. Plug the charger in. Oh, no, running. Oh, it doesn't turn on because it's not plugged in. No lights yet. There we go. We put the probe to here. 4.25. There we have it. DIY charger for 3 AA batteries. I'll let you know when it's finished charging, just to make sure it's all working. This isn't the same pack, but I wanted to show you that when a similar module, this one's a 2S module, is finished charging, the light just turns off, it doesn't change color. So this was 2 Eneloop Pro AAA batteries charged in 8 hours and 30 minutes, and I delivered 3.3 watt hours into the PCB module.